Good morning, everybody. Wishing you all a very happy Deepavali. I'm Dr. Piyush Goyal. I'm a pulmonologist and a critical care specialist in Columbia Asia Hospital, Gurgaon. As we all know, we are going from a very unprecedented times. We are in midst of COVID-19 pandemic and with rising air pollution levels. Both of these things leading to double lung attack. We have to be very careful. COVID-19 and the air pollution, these are the two modern day devils which we want to get rid of as early as possible. We doctors, health as a healthcare workers, the nurses, respiratory physicians, and other supporting staff, all are fighting day in and day out to win this war. We need your help. We want you to follow some basic steps which will make your life healthy. I will enumerate those steps. Number one, wear a face mask whenever you are out of your house. The myth is the face mask will work when it is beneath the nose and when it is beneath the chin, but this is not correct. You have to wear proper face mask on your mouth and nose both, so that it will protect you from the COVID-19 infection and the pollution at the same time. Second, if you have a chronic lung disease, if you have a chronic health condition, if you are allergic, if you are immunosuppressed, then kindly visit your doctor in this time of season so that they can optimize your medications, which will help you in getting stable. The myth is people are thinking right now that going to hospital is not good, you will catch a COVID-19 infection, but this is not true. If this is the scenario, then every hospital in the world is treating COVID patients right now, and we as a healthcare workers are at the highest risk. So we got disease till now, and all the hospitals should get closed till now if this will be the scenario. So you have to visit your doctors on a regular basis so that your disease can be and your medicines can be optimized. Third, again, if you have a chronic health condition, if you have a chronic lung disease, if you are immunosuppressed, if you have a chronic heart disease, if you have a chronic kidney disease, if you are a transplant patient, then kindly go for annual flu vaccination. It will, as this is a season of flu, you will get flu in a very frequent manner if you have all these comorbidities. The flu vaccination will avoid getting your disease becoming unstable. So kindly do a flu vaccination on an annual basis, especially in this season. Fourth point is, please don't go out for an unnecessary visit at this point of time. I know that it's a festival season, then also I will avoid you to go out for an unnecessary visit. If you are going out, please place a mask and follow all the protocols of hand hygiene and social distancing. Avoid going out of your homes if it is not necessary. It will help you in preventing you from getting COVID-19 infection, and it will prevent you from inhalation of these pollutants, air pollutants, which will help you in a long way. If you want to go out, go with a proper, after wearing a proper face mask, with following all other protocols of hand hygiene and social distancing. Fifthly, adequate hydration, nutrition, including high protein diet, and adequate indoor exercises will help you in boosting your immunity. Indoor exercises 15 to 20 minutes of walking inside your home will help you in boosting your immunity. Hydration should be proper in this time of the season. Also, the protein intake should be optimal as per your disease condition. Above all, take care of your near and dear ones and stay safe. Wishing you all again a very happy Deepavali. Thanks.